Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel and to my office. So my last videos was mostly off-roading, overlanding or adventure trips, and every time the Forester did great. So today it's my turn to show him some love. So I'm gonna take good care of my fuzz today. I'm gonna start with the oil change with the filter. Just after, I'm gonna do my wheels rotation, including the full size spare wheel. After that, I'm gonna do the diff oil change, and then I'm gonna get the rooftop tent off the roof. I'm gonna show you how I do that by myself. I think it's gonna be pretty interesting and funny for you, but definitely not for me. So let's go! I totally forgot, but I need to remove the skid plate first. I'm gonna put the new filter on. So first of all, I'm gonna fill it and lube it with fresh oil. A bit more. And then in my little magic box, yep, gasket drain plug. New oil filter, the skid plate is back on. Let's do this wheel rotation. And for that, I'm gonna use this pattern. About that, it's the first time I do this wheels rotation thing, and I heard that it's not good for the tire if the spinning direction change, and with this pattern it's gonna change. So if you have some good tips or advice about this, please put them in the comments. I'm gonna be glad to hear them. Thank you guys, and let's do this. That's a ton of work and it's not even over. Now I'm gonna take care of the diff oil change. So for that I'm gonna move the Forester because I've got more lights here. Let's go. Okay, so we got the same situation here. I need to drop the skid plate before the oil change. I would like so much a good fresh beer right now, but it's still not over. And now let's get to the funny part. Okay, so the idea is to drop the rooftop tent on this side, on those tires, just right there. So for that, I'm gonna get the Forester as close as I can to those tires, then unbolt the rooftop tent and slide it and put it down. The big moment is coming. But first I'm gonna protect the side of my car. Are you ready? Because I'm definitely not. You know it's coming. Big time, mate. So that was pretty good. I didn't fuck up. So you can see it's doable by yourself. It's not easy, but definitely doable. The biggest problem is not really the weight of it, but it's the size. You can't grab it correctly and have strength, you know. And I always use the original box to cover it in my office. It's finally over, guys. It was one hell of a job and I'm really exhausted. But I hope you like it, and maybe it's gonna be useful for you if you have a Forester just like me. Anyway, right now I'm gonna clean all this mess, and you know what? Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and check my Instagram account. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next week.